Right, let's have a look at this question then. So, looking at the question, it's all about an early settlement discount. And it's about this company called Collix. That's the early settlement discount bit there. And they've also given us their trade payables, Collix's trade payables. So there's the bits of the question that we're looking for. Okay, so if you remember, if we have a trade payable, that's good news from a working capital point of view. We're not paying them. And so therefore we're saving having to go and build an overdraft. So let's have a look at the actual savings then. So all you do is you take your trade payables, which currently are 3,200, and you times it by the overdraft, because the fact is that you don't have to borrow more now because we're not paying them. So we're actually saving, not getting that overdraft of 6%. So our current saving is 192. Really straightforward. Trade payables times by your overdraft, that's what your saving is. Right, now we can go on then and have a look at this new offer we've been given. So let's work out what the new payables will be, because they're saying pay us early and early settlement discounts. That's not good news for us. But they're saying pay us early, pay us within 30 days. So what would my new payable be? It would be 30 days out of the 360 days times by the annual purchases. But if you look in this question, they haven't given me the annual purchases. If they had, I could work out what the new creditor would be, what the new payable would be. But they haven't. So I'll have to try and work backwards, because what they do tell me is what the current payables is, and they do tell me what the current days is that makes that 3,200 payable. So I know that that 3,200 payable, if I divide it by 72 days, that gives me 1 day. So I know that the annual purchases must have been that times by 360 to get to 16,000. So working backwards, make sure you can do that. I now know my annual purchases are 16,000. And if I ask to be paid, if I have to pay within 30 days, then my saving, my new payable will be 1,333, and my saving on that new payable will be the fact that 1,333 is a payable. I don't have to therefore pay them yet. Saves me my overdraft. My saving is 80. If you remember last time, I think it was 192, wasn't it? My saving is only 80 now because they've made me pay them quicker. It's an early settlement discount. So they've made me pay them quicker, which is bad news for me. However, I do get this discount, don't I? So let's have a look. What was the discount again? A 1% early settlement discount. That will be on everything. So 1% on everything, if you remember we worked it out, was 16,000. That's my annual purchases. So I'll be saving 160. So add those two together, my total saving would be 240. So now we can compare where we were and where we are. So where we were was a current saving of 192. If we go for this, we'll make savings of 240. So we should go for it because there'll be a benefit of 48. So the answer is A.